Hello and welcome, everyone. Welcome back to your favorite place to learn simple and real English. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy you are here today.
And I'm Jake. Thank you for joining us. Today's topic is very important and also very simple.
Yes, today we are talking about three small but powerful words.
Am, is, and are.
These are called helping verbs. They help us make sentences.
And if you understand these three words, your English will become much clearer.
Let me ask you something. Are you ready for today's lesson?
Yes, I am ready, and I'm excited.
That's perfect. You see, Jake just used am.
Right, I said I am ready because we use am with I.
Exactly. Let's say it together. I am happy. I am learning. I am here.
Good. Very simple.
Let's explain it clearly. Am, used with I, is, used with he, she, it, are, used with you, we, they.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after me. I am a student.
He is my friend.
She is very kind.
It is a nice day.
You are amazing.
We are learning English.
They are happy. Jake, where are you today?
I am at home. Where are you?
I am in my room. It is quiet here.
That's nice. My house is not quiet.
Oh, really? Why?
Because my kids are playing. They are very loud.
That sounds fun. Are they happy?
Yes, they are happy.
Let's look at these sentences. I am at home. They are happy. It is quiet.
Each sentence has a helping verb.
Yes, and these verbs connect the subject to information. Let's tell a short story using am, is, are.
Okay, I'll start. I am a teacher. I am in a classroom.
The classroom is big. It is clean.
The students are inside. They are ready.
One student is nervous. She is quiet.
Another student is excited. He is smiling.
We are learning together. We are happy. When you listen to English, try to hear these small words.
Yes, am, is, are everywhere.
Let's talk about mistakes.
Many learners say, I is happy. She are here.
But the correct sentences are, I am happy. She is here.
Always match the subject.
Let's talk about daily life.
Okay,
I am tired in the morning.
I am sleepy too.
The coffee is hot.
The weather is nice today.
We are busy at work.
They are in a meeting.
Let's do a short dialogue.
Let's go.
Hi, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am fine. Are you busy?
Yes, I am busy.
Is your work difficult?
No, it is easy.
That's great. We also use these verbs to talk about feelings.
Yes, like I am happy, I am sad, I am excited.
He is angry. She is tired.
They are excited, we are ready.
Let's go slow. Repeat after me. I am learning.
She is smiling.
They are playing. Let's share a small story.
Yes, something inspiring.
There is a girl. She is learning English.
At first, she is confused. She is nervous.
But she is strong. She is patient.
Every day, she is practicing.
Now she is better. She is confident.
Her words are clear. Her voice is strong.
She is proud of herself.
Sometimes learning is slow.
Yes, but progress is real.
You are improving.
You are doing great.
Now it's your turn. Fill in the blank. I, blank, happy.
Answer: am. She, blank, my friend.
Answer, is.
They, blank, here.
Answer, are.
Let's start with questions.
Good idea. Questions are very important.
In English, we change the order. Statement: you are happy. Question: are you happy?
Yes, the verb comes first.
Repeat after me. Are you ready?
Is she your friend?
Are they at home?
Am I late?
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry. Are you hungry?
No, I am not hungry. I am full.
Is the food ready?
Yes, it is ready. Let's look at the pattern. Am I? Is he, she, it? Are you, we, they?
Very simple. Just remember the subject.
Let's practice together. You are happy. Question.
Are you happy?
She is tired. Question.
Is she tired?
They are here. Question.
Are they here?
Now let's talk about negative sentences.
This means saying no.
We just add not. I am not. He is not. They are not.
Easy.
Repeat after me. I am not tired.
She is not here.
They are not ready. Are you tired?
No, I am not tired. I am energetic.
That's good. I am not tired either.
Is your brother at home?
No, he is not at home. He is at work. Now let's talk about short forms.
Yes, like I am, I'm. He is, he's. They are, they're.
And negatives: is not, isn't, are not, aren't. Repeat after me. I'm happy.
She's my friend.
They're here.
He isn't ready.
We aren't late. Let's imagine a work situation.
Okay.
Hi, Jake. Are you busy?
Yes, I'm very busy.
Is the meeting today?
Yes, it's today.
Are the clients here?
No, they aren't here yet.
Now let's talk at home. Hello, Mom. Where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
Is dinner ready?
No, it isn't ready.
Are we eating soon?
Yes, we're eating soon.
Let's talk about feelings again.
Very important for real English.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Are you sad?
No, I'm not sad.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
Let's tell another story.
Okay.
There is a boy. He is shy.
He is not confident.
In class, he is quiet.
His answers are not loud.
One day, his teacher says, "You are smart."
You are capable.
Now he is trying.
He is speaking more.
He is not afraid anymore.
Now he is confident.
Listen carefully. They aren't ready.
She isn't here.
I'm not busy. Let's practice. She, blank, happy.
Is.
They, blank, not here. Are. I, blank, not tired.
Am.
Answer quickly. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Is it cold?
No, it isn't.
Are they busy?
Yes, they are.
If this feels hard, don't worry.
You are learning step by step.
You are improving every day.
Mistakes are okay.
You are doing great. Now speak with us. I am learning English.
I am not afraid.
I am confident.
I am ready.
Now let's have a longer, natural conversation.
Listen carefully and repeat in your mind.
Hey, Jake, where are you right now?
I'm at a coffee shop. It's quiet here.
That sounds nice. Are you alone?
No, I'm not alone. My friend is here.
Oh, is he your coworker?
Yes, he's my coworker. He's very friendly.
Are you working or relaxing?
I'm working, but I'm also enjoying my coffee.
That's the best combination. Let's imagine you are outside. Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is free.
Thank you. Are you from this city?
No, I'm not from this city. I'm visiting.
Oh, nice. Is it your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time.
Let's talk about people around us. That woman is smiling.
Yes, she is happy.
Those children are playing.
They are full of energy.
The man over there is reading.
He is very focused.
Now a longer story.
Listen, feel it, and learn.
There is a young man. He is starting something new.
He is nervous, but he is also excited.
His English is not perfect.
His sentences are simple.
Sometimes he is afraid.
Sometimes he is unsure.
One day he asks himself, "Am I ready?"
And the answer is, yes, I am ready.
He starts speaking.
His voice is not strong, but it is real.
People are listening.
They are kind.
Now he is improving.
Now he is growing.
His fear is smaller.
His confidence is bigger.
Today he is proud.
Because he is not the same person.
He is better. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions. Are you learning English?
Say, yes, I am learning English.
Are you afraid of mistakes? Say, no, I am not afraid. Are you improving every day?
Say, yes, I am improving.
Now let's do role play.
You listen, then repeat.
Hi, are you new here?
Yes, I am new here.
Is this your first class?
Yes, it is my first class.
Are you nervous?
No, I am not nervous.
That's great. You are doing well. Now start thinking in English.
Look around you and say, I am in my room. The door is closed. The lights are on.
This is how fluency starts. Answer quickly. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Is your phone near you?
Yes, it is. Are your hands cold?
No, they are not.
Sometimes learning feels slow.
But progress is happening.
You are not stuck.
You are moving forward.
Repeat with us. I am strong.
I am learning.
I am improving.
I am confident.
I am not afraid. Jake, are we done?
Yes, we are done. But this is just the beginning.
Are our listeners ready?
Yes, they are ready.
Are they improving?
Yes, they are improving every day.
You are not just learning English.
You are building confidence,
You are changing your future.
and you are doing it step by step.
Let's start simple. Say it with me. I am sitting. I am listening. I am learning.
Good. Now, you are focused. You are improving. You are doing great.
Let's imagine it is morning. I am awake. I am in my bed.
The room is quiet. The light is soft.
I am getting up. I am walking to the bathroom.
The water is cold. The mirror is clean.
I am brushing my teeth. I am looking at myself.
You are ready for the day. You are feeling fresh.
Now you are in the kitchen. I am hungry. I am making breakfast.
The eggs are on the table. The pan is hot.
The food is cooking. The smell is nice.
You are smiling. You are enjoying the moment.
Now you are outside. I am walking. The air is fresh.
The sky is blue. The sun is bright.
People are moving. Cars are passing.
Life is active. Everything is alive.
Now let's repeat this conversation slowly. Hi, how are you?
I am good.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am busy.
Is your day good?
Yes, it is good.
Are your friends here?
No, they are not here.
Now repeat again, but feel it. I am ready.
I am ready.
I am not afraid.
I am not afraid.
I am learning.
I am learning.
Now look around you right now and say, I am in my room.
I am in my room.
The door is closed.
The window is open.
My phone is near me.
My hands are warm.
This is how you build real English thinking. Let's meet someone new. Hi, I'm Anna. What is your name?
I am Jake.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am new.
Is this your first time?
Yes, it is my first time.
Are you nervous?
No, I am not nervous.
Let's hear a simple story again. There is a learner. He is quiet.
Their words are slow. Their sentences are simple.
He is not perfect.
But he is trying.
Every day he is practicing.
Every day he is learning.
His mistakes are many.
But his progress is real.
Now he is speaking.
Now he is improving.
Now he is confident. Answer fast. Are you ready?
Yes, I am. Is your phone in your hand?
Yes, it is. Are you learning right now?
Yes, I am learning. Is English easy?
It is not easy, but it is possible. Say it with feeling. I am strong.
I am strong.
I am not weak.
I am not weak.
I am growing.
I am growing.
Slow down, breathe, and repeat. I am calm. I am calm. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. I am learning step by step.
I am learning step by step.
Let's finish with one more conversation. Hi, Jake. Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
Is your day busy?
Yes, it is busy.
Are you tired?
No, I am not tired.
That's great. You are doing well.
Thank you. I am learning a lot.
You are learning English.
You are building confidence.
You are improving every day.
And you are not giving up.
Thank you for staying with us.
You are amazing.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
And remember,
You are ready. You are strong. You are learning.